about that. If you have an interesting topic, people, when they visit your channel, they listen to your channel because YouTube will try to put you in front of people. All that is left is for the people to decide if your video is good for them, if your channel is good for them. So it means that basically the power is in your hand to produce quality. Recently, I saw a video by an American singer, Beyonce, singing the Nigerian national anthem, and I was surprised. That helped me to understand the fact that one of the things that have helped America to create wealth, to be productive, is the individuals have a sense of productivity. This video by a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ghana. Her name is Lillian Ogini. Listen to what she has to say.
A lot going on around the world. As we all know that Ghana holds the number 2 position of the most peaceful country in Africa.
She said that Ghana holds the number 2 position of the most peaceful country in Africa.